Hey everyone, I'm recording a video in response to the second cloud partner interaction, this time teaching pronunciation. Um, I only did receive one cloud partner response. However, I was able to get enough information uh, from them to talk to you guys today about um, what I learned from them. Um, First of all, I'd like to note that my cloud partner decided to speak about her experiences with learning French, which I thought was interesting because her main difficulty was with masculine feminine, which is something that English speakers would also have difficulty with when learning a second language. I think that learning languages like French or Spanish or Italian and having to memorize all of the different genders in those languages is something that's very difficult. So I think it was nice that we were able to um, agree on that. But I also did notice that it was difficult for her to pronounce the difference between the L and the R sound, as we discussed in class and as we found out through the articles that we read. And also, I noticed that there were some uh, consonant clusters. For instance, like the KT sound, or in words like fact, were very difficult for her to pronounce, and I might try to focus on that um, anymore if it became a problem with intelligibility, which I was able to understand her perfectly. Her English was very good, um, but yeah, so she didn't really talk about her difficulties with English. In regards to the dialogue, the things I noticed were the R and the consonant clusters, and maybe the intonation a bit. I think that um, sometimes at the end of a sentence she had sort of a question arising intonation at the end, where it didn't need one, or vice versa. And so I think I might try to focus on those super segmentals. I'm sure getting the English intonation, being a stress timed language, it would be a lot more difficult than you know just using the Chinese syllable timed pronunciation. So yeah, those are the things I've noticed. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you.